Hello children, today we will be doing a new topic in GK called directions. Children, if you see this arrow, it shows you it is pointing up. So there are four directions. The one that points right on top is north. N stands for north. The arrow pointing down, it shows south. S stands for south. The arrow pointing this side to the right is east. E stands for east. The arrow pointing to the left, it shows west. W stands for west. So you see children, there are four main directions: north, south, east and west. Now, as I told you earlier, the arrow that points up is north and the arrow that points down here is south. Now there is an arrow that goes from side to side. To the right side is east and to the left side is west. Now these are the four main directions. The sub-directions are, now see children, this is north and this is east. So the arrow that comes between north and east is northeast. And the arrow that points towards the south and west, in the middle of south and west, becomes southwest. Now this arrow goes in another direction. The arrow that points towards north and west, between north and west, is northwest. And the arrow that shows a place between south and east becomes southeast. So there are four main directions, which is north, south, east and west. And the four sub-directions are northeast, because it comes between north and east, southeast, which comes between south and east, southwest, which comes between south and west, and northwest, which comes between north and west. This is the map of India. The word directions means it shows you where it is. Now on the map of India, you can see two blue lines that go from up to down and side to side. As I explained earlier, the one that is on top here is north. So all these places that come up here above this blue line is north. And the places that come below this line is the south. Now south is, from here onwards, is all south. Then we have east. East is the places that come here on this side. All this side becomes east. And all the places here become the west. So you see children, India is divided into four main directions. And not only India, the whole world, every country in the world has directions. So we have north, south, east and west. Now let's look at the map of India again. You can see this pink part here. These are mountains. They are called the Himalayas. They run right from here, some part of Pakistan, right till the east of Bangladesh, Nepal, all these places the Himalayas run. Himalayas are mountains. So if you see, it is in the north of India. The Himalayas are in the north part of India. These are the Himalayas. There are many, many mountains together. They are called the Himalayan range. A range means it's all these mountains are close by, they are together, and they run all the way from here, Pakistan, right till the east of India. So they are mostly in the north. And if you see these mountains, they are covered with snow because they are right on top, children, and places that are right on top snows. So you have this snow on top. They are snow-covered mountains. They are called the Himalayas. Now in this map of India, you can see the bottom part of it. It's all blue here. Blue shows that it is the sea. All this is the sea. To the west of India, we have the Arabian Sea. It is called the Arabian Sea. All this water here is the sea. If you see, we are in Maharashtra and we live somewhere here in Maharashtra, in Mumbai. And Mumbai is to the west of India. And the Arabian Sea is also to the west of India. So the sea that you see at Juhu Beach, it is the Arabian Sea. This is the east part of India. Now the sea that is to the east part of India is Bay of Bengal. West Bengal is here and this is the Bay of Bengal. The word bay means shows water. Bay of Bengal. So Bay of Bengal is to the east of India. Arabian Sea is to the west of India. This is a part of the world map. Now this is India here, children. If you can see, India is next to the sea. This is the west of India, which is the Arabian Sea. East of India is the Bay of Bengal. And to the south of India, all this is the Indian Ocean. This place is called the Indian Ocean. This is the sea, Indian Ocean. So the Indian Ocean is to the south of India. In this map of India, the red part here right on top is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is in the north of India, right on top. And that is why in Kashmir it snows, because it is right on top and it snows in Jammu and Kashmir. So Jammu and Kashmir is to the north of India. In winter, Jammu and Kashmir looks like this because of the snow. When it is summer months, the snow melts and the water, which is ice otherwise, becomes a river or a lake, and it is full of water. So this is in the summer when the snow melts. Here, children, is Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the place where we come from. We are from the state of Maharashtra, and Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. This brown part you see is Maharashtra. So Maharashtra is where, children? To the west of India. It's not in the north, it's not in the south, it's not in the east, but Maharashtra lies to the west of India. This place down here in red is Tamil Nadu. Can you tell me, children, where does Tamil Nadu lie in India? To the south. It lies to the south of India. See, this is the north, this is the east, this is the west, but Tamil Nadu is right down here and it lies to the south of India. This is Assam. Assam lies where, children? I'm sure you know where it is. To the east of India. This is the north, south, west, and this side is the east. So Assam lies to the east of India, right this side in the corner. Now children, let us revise what we have learned and see where all the places that teacher showed you, where they lie on the map of India. We begin with the Himalayas. I told you Himalayas are mountains. They lie in the north of India. The Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea lies where? To the west of India. The Bay of Bengal. Where does the Bay of Bengal lie? To the east of India. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean lies to the south of India. Jammu and Kashmir, they lie to the north of India. Maharashtra. Maharashtra lies here to the west of India. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is to the south of India. And Assam is to the east of India. Now children, I will put up the places for you and we will place them on the map. Jammu and Kashmir. Where is Jammu and Kashmir? In which part of India does it lie? In the north of India. Bay of Bengal. Where does the Bay of Bengal lie? To the east of India. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu lies in which part of India? To the south of India. Indian Ocean. Where is the Indian Ocean? To the south of India. Arabian Sea. Where does the Arabian Sea lie? To the west of India. Assam. Where does Assam lie? In the east of India. Himalayas, the mountain ranges, where do they lie? In the north of India. Maharashtra. Where is Maharashtra on the map of India? To the west. So see children, we have placed all these places we have learned on the map of India. Thank you children. I hope you have understood the topic of directions.